That's Pomi. What she's planning? Where is she carrying this big branch? Come on. Is she planning on carrying this branch to the right way?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh no! Why are these tree branches here?
Help me!
All the cars have been taken away, but the train steer doesn't know anything. Hello, I need help.
What's the matter with you?
There is a big tree branch blocking the track.
Okay, I'm on my way. Here we go.
Thanks for helping me, Excavator.
You are welcome, train.
The train continued going, but you didn't know what happened behind.
Yes!
What happened? Where are all the cars?
What's up? They are still on me. Oh my god! Did they fall somewhere?
What's up? Please tell me.
Just now, I encountered a tree branch on the tracks. Excavator, help me. Now I can no longer see my cars on me.
Let's go and find them.
Oh!
There is a camera here. Let's check with the camera.
The camera recorded the scene of Pomi kidnapping the cars.
Alright. Hey, is there anyone here?
Pomi in the cave, hear the police. It trembles with fear. She's scratching her head, shaking, because she's afraid of the police. She is digging a hole. What's she planning? She digs a hole to bury the cars that have to be kidnapped.
Have you seen the cars passing by here?
No, I didn't see anything.
Hmm?
There is no one here.
Help! Please help me!
Hey, Tommy, stop! You are arrested for kidnapping the cars.
Hello? I need your help in rescuing kidnapped cars.
All right! Help me!
Don't worry, I will save you now.
Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Help me!
Yahoo!
How wonderful! Excavator in turn rescue all the vehicles previously buried by Pomi.
Thank you. Thanks for saving my car. Nothing. See you again.
All right!
The vehicles were rescued. Pomi has locked up in the prison.
Hello! Hello!
Oh!
All right. Uh-oh.
Get out of here!
Shut up!
Help! Help me! Help! Help me!
Yes! All right.
What happened? Here, you'll see.
Oh my god!
No, no!
Help me!
Hello!
Help me! Help me!
Okay, go, go, go! Yes! Fall back!
Help me, help me!
I'm here to help you.
Okay!
Thank you.
Okay. Yes! All right! Yeah! Hooray! Wow!
Oh my god! Hey you! Stop! Oh no! Aha!
Go, go, go!
Hey, what happened?
Oh.
not!
Oh my god! Help me! Hey, what happened? Okay, let's go! Hey you! Stop!
I'm so sorry.
Thank you! Thank you! Let's go! Hey!
Let's run hide and seek.
Oh! Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go, go, go!
Whoa!
Get out!
Ready or not, here I come!
I see you.
Oh no!
Follow me!
Okay, let's go.
Oh no!
Go, go, go!
Oh my god!
Help! Help me!
Oh my god!
Go, go, go!
What happened?
Hey, what happened? I need some help over here.
Okay.
Aha!
Okay.
Whoa, that was amazing.
Hmm?
Okay, here we go.
Oh!
Stop! Hey, what happened?
Attack!
Get out! Get out!
Yes! Oh my god!
Hey, you! Stop!
No!
Hey, you! Stop!
Yes!
Thank you!
Help me! Help me!
Oh!
Help me!
Oh my god!
Okay, okay.
Wow! Wow. Yes.
What's up?
Uh-oh! Hey, hey! Help me!
Okay, okay.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go!
Oh!
I have a plan. Let's do it together.
Okay.
Come on!
Okay.
Let's go!
Yes!